India's travel and tourism industry stands as a pillar of economic growth, generating substantial revenue and employment opportunities. This sector is not just about leisure and sightseeing, it is a vital component of the nation's economic framework. The industry's contribution to the nation's GDP is significant, showcasing its potential to drive economic progress. With each passing year, the tourism sector's impact on the economy becomes more pronounced, reflecting its growing importance. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the serene backwaters of Kerala, India offers a diverse tapestry of experiences that attract travelers from across the globe. These varied landscapes and cultural heritage sites provide unique experiences that are unparalleled. This influx of tourists translates into increased foreign exchange earnings, bolstering the Indian economy. The financial benefits extend beyond immediate spending, contributing to long-term economic stability. Moreover, the tourism industry plays a crucial role in fostering job creation across various sectors, from hospitality and transportation to handicrafts and local businesses. Each tourist arrival creates a chain reaction of economic activity, supporting countless livelihoods. As tourism flourishes, so does the demand for goods and services, creating a ripple effect that benefits the overall economy. Local businesses thrive, and new opportunities emerge, enhancing the economic landscape. The potential of this sector to uplift livelihoods and contribute to national development is immense. By investing in tourism, India can ensure sustainable economic growth and improved quality of life for its citizens. The introduction of the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, in India marked a significant step towards a unified tax structure, aiming to bring about a more organized and efficient tax system. It aimed to simplify the previously complex web of indirect taxes, promising transparency and ease of doing business, which was a much-needed reform for the growing economy. This reform held immense potential for the tourism industry, with hopes of reduced tax burdens and streamlined compliance procedures, making India a more attractive destination for international travelers. The initial expectation was that GST would eliminate the cascading effect of taxes, where taxes are levied at multiple stages of production and distribution, thereby reducing the overall tax burden. This cascading effect often leads to higher prices for consumers and reduced competitiveness for businesses, which can stifle economic growth and innovation. A simpler tax system, as envisioned by GST, promised to alleviate these issues and foster growth in the tourism sector, ultimately contributing to the broader economic development of the country. However, the current GST rates in the tourism sector are considered high compared to global standards, making it a topic of concern for industry stakeholders. And those levied by competing destinations, which often have more attractive tax policies. India's neighboring countries, vying for a share of the global tourism pie, often offer more favorable tax regimes for the industry, making them more appealing to budget-conscious travelers. This disparity in tax rates puts India at a competitive disadvantage, potentially deterring tourists seeking more affordable travel options and leading them to choose other destinations. For example, hotel accommodation, a significant component of tourism spending, attracts a GST rate of 18% in India, which is quite steep. This rate is significantly higher than what tourists might encounter in countries like Thailand or Malaysia, known for their competitive tourism industries and lower tax rates. Such high tax rates can make India a less attractive destination, impacting the industry's growth and revenue potential, and ultimately affecting the overall economy. Despite the goal of simplification, the implementation of GST has brought about a new set of compliance requirements for businesses in the tourism sector. Small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, which form the backbone of the industry, often struggle to navigate the intricacies of GST filings, input tax credits, and other procedural aspects. The administrative burden of GST compliance can be overwhelming for smaller operators. diverting their time and resources away from core business activities. Many lack the financial capacity to hire dedicated tax professionals, further exacerbating the challenges posed by GST compliance. This situation hinders the growth and profitability of SMEs, particularly in the tourism sector, where margins can be thin. Section 5. The cascading tax effect. A ripple of costs. Despite the initial objective of eliminating the cascading effect of taxes, its presence continues to impact the tourism industry. The input services used by tourism businesses, such as transportation, logistics, and food supplies, often attract GST. However, the industry faces challenges in claiming full input tax credits, leading to a buildup of untaxed input costs. This cascading effect ultimately results in higher costs for tourists, making travel packages less competitive. For instance, the cost of a tour package incorporating transportation, accommodation, and sightseeing can be significantly impacted by the accumulated GST levied at various stages. This situation undermines the affordability and attractiveness of India's tourism offerings. Section 6. Charting a path forward. Solutions for sustainable growth. To unlock the full potential of India's tourism industry, addressing the challenges posed by the current tax structure is crucial. Streamlining GST rates, granting industry status to tourism, and incentivizing infrastructure development are essential steps towards creating a more favorable environment for growth. Rationalizing GST rates for essential tourism services, such as accommodation, transportation, and tour packages, can significantly enhance the industry's competitiveness. Lowering the tax burden on tourists will make India a more attractive destination, attracting more visitors and boosting revenue generation. Section 7. Learning from success. Japan's tourism transformation. Japan's remarkable tourism boom offers valuable lessons for India. By implementing favorable visa policies, investing in tourism infrastructure, and promoting their unique cultural heritage, Japan witnessed an unprecedented surge in tourist arrivals. This success story highlights the transformative power of a conducive policy environment. Furthermore, Japan's strategic focus on developing tourism products catering to diverse interests, from anime and manga to traditional arts and cuisine, played a crucial role in attracting a wider audience. By showcasing its cultural richness and offering unique experiences, Japan positioned itself as a must-visit destination, resulting in substantial economic benefits. Section 8. Reaping the rewards. A vision for India's tourism future. Implementing these solutions can transform India's tourism industry, unlocking a myriad of benefits for the nation's economy. Increased tourist arrivals will lead to higher foreign exchange earnings, contributing to a healthier balance of payments and strengthening the Indian rupee. Moreover, the growth of the tourism sector will generate a ripple effect across various industries, stimulating demand and fostering job creation. From transportation and hospitality to local handicrafts and cultural experiences, the benefits of a thriving tourism industry will be felt across the economic spectrum, uplifting livelihoods and driving inclusive growth. Section 9. A call to action. Shaping a brighter tomorrow. The future of India's tourism industry hinges on the implementation of forward-looking policies that address the current challenges and create a more conducive environment for growth. By streamlining GST, recognizing tourism as a formal industry, and prioritizing infrastructure development, India can unlock the sector's true potential. The government, policymakers, and industry stakeholders must collaborate to implement these solutions effectively. By working together, they can create a tourism landscape that attracts more visitors, generates employment opportunities, and contributes significantly to India's economic prosperity. The time for action is now to shape a brighter tomorrow for India's tourism industry and the nation as a whole.